Hey guys, quick video here. Just wanted to show you how to open up files in RADAN. At the moment, when you open files in RADAN, there's a couple of different ways you can do it. You can go File, Recent, and you can go to Recent Drawings, Recent Parts, or Recent Projects. So if I go to Recent Parts, I can open Recent Parts. It's going to take me to a little dialog box of all these little parts here that I've opened here recently and keep them in there, right? Same with if I'm looking at Nest projects and I want to find a Nest project. I come in here and I go recent files, file, jump over to nesting actually, file, recent files, and go recent projects or recent drawings. If I go recent projects, you can see I've got different projects here, right? So if I open up my recent project, it should pull up my nest and all the parts I had in it. This is a good way to find that, and you'll be able to find everything in there. Okay, so let me know if that answers a lot of your questions on opening files and finding part files and nest and everything like that. So be sure to take a look at all the other videos on the channel and make sure you check them out. Gives us thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you.